Yo, what's up, Molibwanje? Molibwanje Bamzanga, Molibwanje pa Zambia. What else? Zambia Kuchalo. I haven't been doing a lot of Zambian music lately. I mean, I haven't been doing a lot of music reaction recently because of a lot of things going on. As you can see, yeah. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. My name is TT. I am from Botswana, Dimacho Gara ku Botswana, Dimankala ku no ku USA. Oh, yeah, that's how you say it. Tianna, that's the name of the artist we are reacting to. So without wasting any time, let's get to it.
Spaceship music.
Zambia in the building. J Cash.
Push left and right over things I don't know. I really pay for no reason. So many stories have been created to pay me back, just to cover the truth. If they speak, the world may tremble. All I ever do is be myself and stay away from drama. But I'm starting to learn, maybe that could be the problem.
Hey.
Or whatever it is, me and my truth will sit in silence. Don't ever think you know me. Me and my truth will sit in silence. You don't know me. There's always two sides of the story. You don't know me.
Yeah, beautiful stuff. I think I was introduced to this lady when she was singing with Chile One Mr. Zambia, one of the songs they did live. Oh yeah, I was subscribed. I was just checking if I'm subscribed to her channel. And I'm hooked. You know what I mean? I feel like she has the best vocals. Let's get to it. Crisp video, by the way. You guys in Zambia, I mean, I cannot say this enough. I feel like videographers and directors and all the people that work behind the scenes, it's really, they don't really get the credit that they deserve. But in order for us to see a beautiful video like this, that means there's a whole team that made sure that, you know, the lighting is right, the clothing is right, the pictures is right, the colors, everything is right. So big up to everybody who's working behind the scenes, recording all this beautiful video, beautiful masterpieces for people to see. And I think the quality that you guys are putting out now, it will stay on for a very long time. So big up to you. I'm recognizing you guys so that, you know.
Boy Cash, J Moore.
J Cash.
Yeah. Chitiaza niona bwa tinaicho kama kudiala uma niona bwa. You tell people pali inona niona poli. Nikamba eye to eye tinakuma na poli. Yeah, it's like the more I try to be me, the more they change the narrative. Lemba na ma paragraph umuli chema negative.
Yeah, social media. Yeah. Oh, this is why I think people are pushed to not being real. You know what I mean? Like lots of fake people out there, because like once people know your personality and they know what you like, then people are like, you know, I don't know. He says something there. Facts.
Mufuno let your beef, or because I portray piki muntu wesali talkative. Ever wonder why whenever you choose peace over BS kuzankala ma consequence? Ever wonder why I post my kids just once in a while nfuna bakakule na confidence in me?
Yeah. Wow. Okay. I post my kids once in a while. I want them to grow up with confidence. That's what he said, right?
Dumi karasa chikulu cherizi lipafupi na krasha zoza mea manaza limita waiaza neba OJ Mall Brightly so we in the building tonight.
There's always a
Tianna,
verse of
what
the
up?
story. You don't know me.
Yeah, I think it's one of those things when you are like a celebrity, like you can read a story about yourself online and be like, is that me? Like, I'm pretty sure. I mean, I think it comes with it. Like, if people started to know you, they can just like make up the story of you, and like when you tell your real story, also is like, you know, people can use that against you. It's like, what do you even do? I think it's not. There's no better way to be. I guess make a song about it if you're like a singer. So. It's a beautiful song with a beautiful message, and it's like you can dance to it. And she's like, "You don't know me. By the way, you do not know me."
Spaceship music.
I don't know if I was smiling or what,
Tswana
but it's just, yeah, beautiful stuff, man. Tianna, all the way from Zambia, so go check out her YouTube page. Beautiful vocals, by the way, like, oof. And I think when they were singing acoustic, it was just real voices, and that's when I'm like, yo, this is like a biggest talent out there. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this, guys. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Let me see. Did I leave a comment? I'm just gonna leave a comment there. Let's say Ilebuino. That's what I said. That's how you say it. If you see my comment on her thing there, sounds like fun, correct me in her comment section. Let's do that. All right, let me. Okay, thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys on the other side. Bye.